guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just want to talk about a new accessory I got off of Amazon. It's the Weber Rapidfire Chimney to start your charcoal. So you don't have to build a pyramid or anything like that. You just put all your charcoal in here, and then underneath you can light like a fire starter, and it'll go up, light all the chimney, get them nice and hot, and then you can pour them in on your grill. It's pretty cool. It cost me about 20 bucks, and if you want to buy it, just go to the description below and I'll leave a link to how you can buy it. But let me just give you a quick demonstration on how it works, and we'll do a little quick cookout here. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is what I use. It's just like a little piece of fabric, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to light this up. Not yet. And get the charcoal started up. So this is what I start with. So I'll take out my grate. Yeah, that should be good. Do a little zoom in. I'll just move these two little baskets to the side so I won't be needing them. And what I do is I put that down there, and I fill the Weber starter chimney, rapid fire, pew pew, up with charcoal, and we'll get it started up. Might as well put the rest of this stuff in there. Need a little bit more. Now that we got our charcoal in there, all we do is we light up this block. Put that in there. And then we'll just let it go. That's it. I'll be back in a second and I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, the bottom's getting all nice and toasty. Starting to, flames going inside. I'll get all the charcoal nice and hot. It's hard to see. This is probably not a good idea. Okay, so it's been about a minute, and you can see it's getting pretty hot here. Hard to see inside, but starting to get nice and toasty. Okay, so that's about 3 minutes there, and you're starting to see the flame come up the top of the charcoal. And basically what you want to do is keep it in there until they're all ashed over, and then you're good to start cooking. As you can see, our coals are getting nice and hot. I think I'm going to go ahead and dump these in the char basket and get ready to start cooking it. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.